What features should you mention? For Sweetcrispy electric pressure washer. Because it has interesting features, including powerful cleaning. The electric pressure washer has a deep cleaning water pressure up to 2.0 GPM of water flow. While saving water and energy, it also ensures high cleaning efficiency and the ability to clean objects with complex shapes and structures, which makes it ideal for cleaning various surfaces in the home. 5 quick nozzle and soap bottle. The electric pressure washer has 5 quick connect nozzles, 0 degree, 15 degree, 25 degree, 40 degree, turbo. Feel free to choose the high pressure nozzle that best suits your task. Additionally, benefit from the 500 ml foam spray can for effective and targeted cleaning. Easy to use. Equipped with a 23 feet hose and 16.5 feet power cord, the pressure washers provides ample length to ensure freedom of movement. 2 rollers and an anti-tipping design that ensures stability when cleaning, and it can also be used to draw water directly from a bucket, which flexibly adapts to different water conditions, making it easier and freer to operate. Easy to install. Our electric power washer is engineered for easy installation, allowing you to dive into your cleaning tasks without any delays. Convenient storage. The high-pressure cleaning machines are equipped with a power cord hook and nozzle holder for easy access. Its compact design makes it easy to store in a garage or pantry when not in use. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.